Have you ever wondered if you could save your leftover fried chicken and then make it taste fresh again with a crispy, juicy perfection that we all love without the sogginess? Hey y'all, it's me, Hetty, and today I'm going to share with you my go-to hack for freezing and reheating deli fried chicken so it comes out just like you just brought it home. Sure, there are air fryers, there are microwaves, and there's other tricks out there, but I always just find myself coming back to this tried and true oven method. Old-fashioned, simple, reliable, and it gives a golden crunch every time. So stick around, see the step-by-step instructions of how I do it, and then you can do it too. So if you love easy kitchen wins, especially on hectic weeknights, stay tuned. Let's get cooking. But before we get started, if you enjoy this video and want to dive into more of my content, I do have nearly 400 others waiting for you. Just be sure to give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every time I upload something new. I also love seeing those comments. Alrighty everybody, let me get this going. I'll show you how to freeze it. This is what was left over from our bucket of just whatever grocery store you like. Everybody usually knows where fried chicken's pretty good, but you can do this with any fried chicken. I've done it from several different stores. Okay, so I've just got some parchment paper down, and we're gonna do just like we had done before, and we're gonna flash freeze. Y'all have seen me do that in a few videos. So I'm just gonna lay these out, and I'm not gonna hold you, I'm gonna lay them out, and then I'll bring you back. I've got that done. Here they are laid out. I just kind of spaced them evenly. And they're gonna go into the freezer. Now you use whatever fits. You know, if it's a lasagna pan, whatever. If you've got a smaller freezer, my freezer isn't very big, but I do have a shelf that I do this with, that this actually slides right in. So I'm lucky with that aspect of my freezer. There are other aspects I don't like, but anyway, that's for another story, isn't it? Okay, this is going in 3 to 5 hours. When it's frozen, I'll bring you back and show you what I do next. And then at the end of this video, even if it's a week later or 2 weeks later, I will show you the ending of how to heat this up, make it all nice and hot and crispy like you just got home and you just ordered it. All right? I'll see y'all when it's frozen. Okay, everybody, it's the next morning. Have my little friendly freezer bag. I mean, if you felt the need, you could vacuum seal this if you wanted to, but I do want to show you. Look here, these are frozen through. You can hear that, okay? So, here we go. It's gonna be just put in the bag. Alrighty, look, simple as that, believe it or not. We have another hole separator out of this. I'm gonna label it. Now I'm gonna, like I always tell y'all to do, I am gonna work on getting most of the air out of this as I can. But you gotta remember, and if you've been with me a long time, you know I tell you, I'm not trying to freeze stuff for 6 months, okay? This probably won't even be in here in less than 2 weeks. We'll probably have eaten it already. Maybe even a week. I don't know. Depends on what they want for supper one night. But anyway, it's as simple as this. I'm going to freeze it. And then the next time we eat this, I'm going to continue the video. I'm going to show you how to remove it from the freezer and put it right in and bake it. And I can make it oven crisp. Just like I just got home from the grocery store and it was piping hot. Okay. I'll see y'all when I decide to make this chicken. Okay, everybody. So I just barely remembered to bring y'all in on this next segment. And previously you saw me flash freeze this deli chicken and then put it in this bag. I dated it. It's a little over a week later. Here we go. So I'm just going to lay it out. I have, if you have one of these, I mean, you can get away without it, but it does make for better airflow if you do have an oven rack, you know, one of these racks, cookie coolers, whatever. I think they're both. And I'm going to show you a little trick of what I do. I'm going to get it all out of the bag first. Okay, this is what I was going to show you. I take the largest pieces and I put them in the corners. Now, why would I do that? Because it's going to be hotter on both ends and not quite as hot as in the middle. So I'm going to kind of move them over just slightly off center. But you'll get the hang of it. But anyway, the breasts and the thighs do take longer to get where you want them, okay? So here's how I do it. And for easy cleanup, I just line my cookie sheet, baking sheet with foil. I take another piece of foil. I'm not trying to go real tight with this. And then I just loosely cover it, both ends, you can see. And it's very loose. I'm trying to not touch the chicken. Okay, so I'm actually loosely tinting. That's referred to as tinting the foil. Okay, my oven is preheated at 350. Now, this is going to take in between 40 and 45 minutes, depending on your chicken. You'll have to keep an eye on it. That lasts, say, 6-7 minutes. It's going to be all in the same neighborhood, but your oven is your oven. My oven is mine. So they may be a little off on times. So anyway, 350. It's covered in foil, just loosely tinted. I'm going to put this in. My oven's already preheated, like I said, 25 minutes. I'm just letting it go like this. I'm literally going to reach in and just remove this top piece of foil and go for at least in between another 10 to 20 minutes. And that'll be because I'm checking on it. So when this is done, I will bring you back. P.S. This technique, like all my other videos, the information will be down below, oven temps and times and things like that. And then the procedure that I do. Also, I might want to add, I may have said it, but in case I forgot, I am telling you now, middle of the oven, middle rack. It's done. It's been 45 minutes. I just took it out. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this. Woo, it's hot. I'll try to pick it up. Can you hear that? It crisps up beautifully. I checked the internal temp with my thermometer, and it is 167 actually, because my oven's really hot. But you want to just heat it through until your biggest piece in the middle, not touching bone, reaches 165, and then you are golden. Okay, I got a bunch of hungry people, but I'll plate this up and show it to you at the beginning of the video. You probably saw it already. You can see I served mine with peppered gravy, mashed potatoes, and coleslaw. But there are so many other great sides. I'll just list a few down in the description box below. But y'all, it's a great method. Give it a try. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Next time you grab takeout, do try. And what I want to hear is down below in the comments how it turned out. Okay guys, it's me, Hetty. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.